welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Princess. Welcome, and thank you guys so much for joining me. I am going to do a clean my bag with me. I have not done these things in a while, but this bag here needs some TLC, you guys. Let me give y'all a close up. So I wore her. You can't really see it much. I wish I could see what I see on this end. But she looking real dusty, okay? Yeah, there you go. That's really good. There you go. She looking real dusty, real crusty. I wore her over the past 2 weeks. No, last weekend out of town. And it's just time for some TLC. I have not worn my girl in a while. That was the first time wearing her after so long. And I just took her off the shelf. I didn't wipe her down or nothing. I just put her on my arm. This is the Coach Dinky bag. It is a re-edition bag. On here you can see the re-edition where it says limited re-edition 1974. But yeah, you guys, I don't have all the things that all the girlies be having and stuff, but I do have what I have, which is the Coach Leather Moisturizer and the Coach Leather Cleaner. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use this towel, and I'm gonna use what helps my bags, okay? So if you guys do it differently, do not put in the comment sections anything negative saying this is not how you do it, because this is what works for me, and I'm all about do what works for you, boo. Okay, I'm gonna play some jams. We're gonna jump right into this clean. I don't have anything in this bag, so all we gotta do is just clean the bag out. All right, let's do it. So another bag that I need to show a little TLC to is my Coach Tabby 20. As you can see, she's just looking a little dingy. You know, she doesn't look like she has a shine to it. And we're just gonna do the same thing we did to the Coach Dinky bag and buff her out. If you made it to this part of the video, thank you guys so much for joining me. Please put some hearts in the comment section so I know that you made it to this part. It does not matter what color heart it is. It can be any color heart because you already know it's all love over here, sis. It's all love over here, bro. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell so you know more videos like this is posted. And like this video so YouTube will know that you like videos like this one. And they'll send more people like you my way. If you like videos like this one, definitely put in the comment section that you love this video and want to see more. I would love to give you guys more clean my bags with me. I haven't done it in a while. I'm so happy to go ahead and go through my bags and clean what needs to be cleaned, and I'm happy to do it with y'all. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye. No matter what the people say, just